Hello everybody, welcome on today's live stream. As always, we're gonna have a look at the BTC chart. Obviously, you know what time is it. It's a US session opening time. So we are expecting some volatility. We are expecting some possible live trades on the chart. So we're gonna have a look at that. As always, before we're gonna start, please let me know if everything is running. I think that you should be able to see me. I think that you should be able to see my screen now. And I believe you can also hear me. So yeah, everything should be running without any problem. But let me know if it is running. Good morning, all good. Hello. What's up, Silver? Crude oil inventories news will move market today 25 minutes from now. Okay, cool. We can have a look at that. Check no bread. Perfect. Okay. So let's start on a BTC chart, and we're gonna check also gold. So what do we have here today? Well, we have a possibility of getting the value area set up, which is kind of a plan that I have. Still waiting for this previous day value area low to be retested. We'll see how it goes. It's possible level that I will be aware of in the next, let's say, 90 minutes from now. VWAP, that's going to be the resistance number one. You definitely need to be aware of this level. So mark it out on your chart or simply turn on the indicator. You just want to be aware of what's going to happen here. What also can we get? Well, on my right side of the screen, you can see this right now. We will go to the exact charts in the upcoming minutes. I'm just going to quickly check if we have any divergences. To be completely honest, I haven't been trading today yet. Since in the mornings, there wasn't just any setup to take. And, you know, if there is no plan, there is no need to rush or push anything. But from what I see, we actually have a divergence on the chart. So you know what I'm going to do is I will show you this. So you'll be able to see it too. But we actually have a CVD bearish divergence. So that's obviously an important thing for us. So let me just change the Windows sharing. You should be able to see it now. Do you see the divergence right here? And also here? I'm wondering how many millions we trapped. So here we have negative 121. Here we have negative 117. So it's not big. It's 4 million difference. I think that we can, consider this as a valid divergence. We definitely can. Could be giving us some possible likelihood or probability that we're going to get rejected out of the US session. Definitely the thing that I'm expecting, and I would almost, I'm not going to be entering into long, but it's a really high probability in my opinion, is that we're going to tap the VWAP again. Okay, so I will be looking for VWAP to be tapped, and then we'll see how it goes from there. But since we are forming that bearish divergence, we're going to create some bias that we are looking for move down. The thing or the level where I'm going to be targeting or possibly looking for a long is the value area low of this upper bigger range. Right here is 18 to 23K range. Basically, level I'm paying attention to is the value area low. Just coming in a little bit lower now, basically around 18,800. That's going to be the level of interest. Also, this is obviously not everything. You have your daily and a weekly here. And I believe there is also VP. Okay, so this is your next level of support on a BTC chart. Nothing too complicated. Simply, this is going to be the level or area where I'm going to be looking for in the next few days. If we're going to get a move down today, obviously, during the US session, which, like I said, is likely to happen in my opinion, then we're going to be targeting this value area low with a 618 and a 66. So this is the game plan. We'll see how it goes from now. We still have 2 minutes to open, so the thing I'm going to check will be the news that Silver was mentioning. Silver, you said in 25 minutes. I see that it's in 2 minutes from now. I'm not sure when you are posting this message, but it's during that US opening time. So we can read the description once again. I'm not a news trader, okay? So keep that in mind, but you can have a look. So I'm just reading this. Can I somehow zoom this so you'll be able to see it? Yeah, perfect. So you can read this with me. Do we have any data or any forecast? Still not open yet. Give it 1 minute. We have literally 1 second to go. Okay, let's go. US opening is here. Well, I'm gonna open ExoCharts again. I know that I can open TradingView inside desktop version, but I'm just so used to have a Exo on the right side and TradingView on the left side, which I can't do obviously when I'm streaming. So yeah, but I will use the TradingView inside the desktop version. Okay, we have some naked POC from the close session. Will I pay too much attention to this? No, definitely not. It's not really relevant for me. What else do we have? We have a naked POC from Asia, but as you can see, it's tapped already. Even though, I mean, almost tapped, but I would view this as a tapped, obviously. From daily TPO perspective or IB TPO template, here it's a very, very simple actually. The value area low. You see, this is a so you see it in a so good visual way. You see basically the value area, the previous day value area is this purple/pink color, whatever it is. You see how we got rejected exactly from that bottom of the color. That's your value area. This is your resistance intraday, very simply said. I'm gonna do one thing. Yeah, this was the daily open and obviously getting rejected out of it. Like overall, today it looks more bearish. You have bearish daily open. You have the value area set up, but it's only once you reclaim the value area low. So as soon as we are below the value area low, I would still be looking down, honestly. There is not a lot to say. Oh wow, FTMO says 20 minutes. Sorry, FTMO says 1 hour. Okay. I'm honestly not checking the news on FTMO page. Not really. I don't know. I don't even know why, honestly, but I don't know. Just not checking it on the FTMO. I use the thing that we have on the website. It's so beneficial for me, actually. I'm checking this on a daily basis. It's better than checking like the small flags that you see on a TradingView. You also have like a small description below the new all the time. So yeah, much easier to use. But let's pay attention to what's happening here. Let's open the Wizards Float and Plate. And here we go. This was the thing that I was talking about maybe 5 minutes ago. Simply we were looking for it. Usually when you are close to VWAP, let's say like this, you are close to VWAP, which I mean by close I would consider like $250 away from the current branch, then it's a very high probability that you're gonna go to retest the VWAP before some major movement on US session opening time. And do some research about this, use the replay mode, but check last, I don't know, 25 openings, and you'll see that a lot of times you will go to retest that VWAP because it's a place with a lot of liquidity, simply said. You know, if you are a big player, you are looking to build some position. If you don't have any other option, like, you know, some liquidity pool or something like this, then you just need to go for a VWAP. So we are getting this pump to it. Do we have a lot of volume? Not a lot, but it's not poor on the other hand, okay? So it's like, I would consider this as a decent volume. It's not bad. You have 3.7 million. Do you guys remember 3.7, 3.9 million like a few months ago? That was nothing. Around all-time high, you know, 4 million, that was nothing. We are struggling to break through the VWAP. As you can see, we are getting getting rejected out of this now. But like, I'm not shorting, okay? Let's make it clear. I'm not shorting yet. This is still too early. Let's say it like this. We have the daily open. That's gonna be like first level you should be aware of. Then we have the previous day value area low, which is coming in here. I have no clue why, but the relevant one is here. This is the one that I'm paying attention to. There is a problem with the market level settings. Here, you just need to check the tick size. Previous day daily tick needs to be set to 50. Now it shows the right value. Yes. Perfect. I'm paying more attention to the profile itself than actually to market levels. I don't even know why I have them on a chart. I just do, but pay more attention to this. To basically the color. How to say, like the color bottom of the value area, you know. But it's up to you, obviously. Use whatever you want. Just for me, it's easier to actually check the colors than the market levels, or I'm just doing it in this way. Hey Ann, you drink Red Bull, it's toxic. Not a lot actually. I like coffee more, like much more, but like I'm drinking like 3, 4, 5 coffees a day, so I'm addicted to coffee. And yeah, I am, but today I just bought Red Bull. I don't know why, but I did. Yeah, I know it's not the best thing to drink, but on the other hand, I'm living quite healthy lifestyle, I would say. So if you drink Red Bull, you know, once per month, it's fine. But yeah, I know it's not the best for you. Definitely it's not. Is sell buy tail working well? That's a good question. I mean, yeah, it's definitely working, but it's not like something extra strong for me that it would be changing my decision. Not really. It's adding confluence. Let's say it like this: it's adding confluence, but you need to have something else. Like, my strategies are not based on buying and selling tails. I can be trading without them. So let's check the oil. Not a big movement there. Gold, I would be looking for this buy box down there, honestly. Look at this, by the way. This was posted on Sunday in the FTA this week, which is 3 days ago. And we killed it again. Let's be honest, insane prediction. I'm not sure if Pigman shorted this. Did you? I'm not sure. But this was a really nice trade. And someone was also posting before this happened. Yeah, this was Pigman actually. Yeah, cool. This was Monday morning. He said, what's the plan on gold? 1668 short. 1668 short was... oh my goodness. We are killing this. That was right here at the top. Look at this. This is 1668. So guys, if you want to be part of our team, you want to get access to the sale, let me actually show you this so you will believe me, but we are really posting this to the chat. And even on a Sunday in FTA, which I don't want to be showing you the live stream here because it's going to take me to like 3, 4, 5 minutes to find the exact time of the stream, but I don't want to waste your time here. But look at this. 1668 short. I said looking for a short around here, yeah. And on a stream I showed this red box. We are getting rejected from the VWAP. Cool. So, guys, we have a last day of that special sale event on our website, so don't forget to check it out. You have a link below the video. Go to the upgrade page if you want to join our team. You want to get access to the whole course. This is your last chance to get it for a better price, let's say like this. But now let's continue with the TA. I'm going to switch back to the exo charts and we're going to have a look at what's happening around the VWAP. Do we have some absorption, like a big one? Not yet. Or do we? No. I kind of like this 3.5 million, but the net longs are not opening at all here. It's more of a shorts getting wrecked, which is not a bad thing. Like, don't get me wrong. It's nice to stop some shorts, but yeah, like overall, I would be looking lower. And I'm gonna actually enter short. So the plan is very simple. Simply, once we're going to be reclaiming this daily value area, high area, I'm going to get out of the trade. But right now, from what I see, it looks more bearish for me, and I would be looking lower to what levels? Well, we need to lose this previous day value area low, which is a marker setting, so do not pay attention to this. I'm just gonna change this developing or the previous day tick size. But the daily value area low, we need to lose this. I need to save this. Save here. Okay. So we need to lose the daily value area low. That's the level number 1. And level number 2, do we have anything in between? We need to lose just the market structure, you know, but I believe we're gonna do it now. You don't want to get like a SFP of this. Once you'll get SFP, I need to collapse the trade and dynamically react to what's going to be happening on a chart, but I would be looking for this value area low to be hit. Do we have a lot of volume? Let me just double check this. 3 million, this is not a huge volume. I think it can take some time to actually get a movement down. I'm not really expecting it's gonna be quick. It can be, but honestly I'm not expecting that it's gonna happen during the stream today. We'll see. I'm planning to spend here, let's say, 1 hour from now, but I don't think it's gonna happen in 1 hour. But we'll see how it goes. Would be nice, obviously, but and simply, if you took this with me, then this is not a financial advice, okay? Demo accounts only, of course, but stick to the plan, okay? Simply, once we're gonna be reclaiming this area on a chart, you need to be out of the trade. And the risk and reward on the position is around... It's not the best, but it's okay. 2.3, that's not bad. What function plays time in your trading system? That's a very good question, actually. I guess you mean it after what period of time I view my position as invalidated. And can I give you a simple answer to this? Probably not, but it's very context dependent, obviously. But let's say like this. I enter the position and the trade is not doing anything, right? Let's say that I have resistance, but the price like keeps consolidating around it. It's not doing anything. What am I gonna be holding onto the position, or am I gonna close it if nothing is happening? Well, after like it's very context dependent, but let's say it's a day trade, right? So after like 2-3 hours, when I'm still in that consolidation, I need to adjust something. So either I'm gonna close my position, or I'm gonna adjust my plan, because like after 3 hours, you created like a pretty solid, you know, range, like a sideways movement, pretty solid day range, right? Or like a local range, let's say like this. So you need to adjust your plan a little bit. So yeah, usually around after 2-3 hours, I'm trying to at least adjust my plan. But a lot of times I'm just gonna close it, because, you know, with the change of the plan, maybe I can get to a statement where I feel like, okay, this is not worth to take the risk anymore. Why you enter just now? Why you not enter when we tested this support level a few minutes back? I entered a short to make this clear. I entered a short position, so and I entered around here on this candle after seeing the rejection from the VWAP. Just to make it clear, hopefully you didn't enter long. We need to break through this, obviously. Once we're going to be getting the rejection back, I'm going to adjust my plan, or I'm just going to collapse the trade and so on. But if this green box is going to keep holding us, then it's not good for us. But like I said, I think today it's going to take some time to actually get a movement down. I would be looking for the value area low, though, specifically that I'm expecting it's going to be tested, but we'll see how it goes, obviously. But today I'm more bearish. Like, for me, there is not a lot of reasons to feel bullish at all as soon as we are below the previous day value area low. Or maybe I was wrong. Maybe it's gonna happen on the stream. I have no clue, but the thing that I don't want to see is a swing failure pattern. So I don't want to see this. Let's monitor this. Let's monitor what's gonna happen now. But this actually looks as a perfect POC. Swing failure pattern. The POC in a bottom, quite decent volume, but lower than this one. And I'm gonna adjust my plan simply by moving stop loss to the break even. I don't care about small fee, but I'm gonna move my stop loss to the break even now. Or I'm just gonna I have position open here on the phone, so like I'm able to close it once I'm gonna be around the break even, but I'm not long in this. Let's say like this. I still believe I have more probabilities we can get a move down, but if we will be reversing the whole move to the upside now, so basically back around the VWAP, I need to be out of the position, simply said. Hopefully it makes sense. I think so. Naked POC stopped us. Is there a naked POC? Not sure. No. I don't have this on my chart. No. So I'm not sure which one you mean, but I believe that a lot of longs will be opening now. Let's pay attention to this. Yeah. Heavy longs now. Like, I don't want to see this being reclaimed. It's naked daily at 19,058, or is it? I'm not sure. It's not. You're talking about this one, I guess, but I don't have this. No. I don't have any naked POC, even on 1 tick size, which I would never ever use this for naked POC, but no, I don't have this on my chart. So either I'm doing something wrong, or you are doing something wrong, or you have a different chart. Which is definitely, I can overlook something, like I'm only human too, obviously, so, you know, I'm not saying I'm the best, but I don't think that there is a naked POC, to be honest. There can be, but I don't think so. Oh, daily horizontal. You mean I sent it to Discord? Okay, so oh yeah, you mean the session naked POC? Yes, we have the session naked POC from closed session. I said at the start of the stream that I wouldn't pay any attention to it because it was created over the weekend and it's a closed session, and it's also if you use the same template. Which actually, let's load this up because this is a quite good topic to cover, and a lot of people still are confused about this. So I'm gonna explain this right now on a stream. Yeah, you are talking. Oh yeah, now it's clear. Of course. Look at this. Can you see how small that closed session is? Like compared to, you see like the US session pretty small, right? Then we have the closed session pretty small. But look at this. Look at how developed this is. You see like a lot of the candles inside it. Why it's important? Well, obviously the candles are based on a volume. Okay, so this is not a time frame candle; it's a volume candle. So basically, more candles you have during that specific session period, which in this case we are talking about a closed session, more candles you have, more volume there was transacted, level is going to be stronger. Let's say it like this. But here you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 million in volume. Would I pay any attention to it? No, I wouldn't. Even though we are getting bounce from it, it's caused because like people are buying this. It's the theory behind the naked POC is not there. Like the theory of the naked POC is that you have a lot of thread traders. Can you have a lot of thread traders with a 60 million volume? Well, not really. So it's getting reaction because someone is like buying it. Someone is using this as we do, and he's buying the level. But like I wouldn't pay any attention to it, like I said. We'll see how it goes, but I'm still remaining short here. Not naked. Sorry, mate. I thought that you are talking about the naked POC. Yes, daily. There is probably daily. Yeah. I'm wondering when this was created. Yeah, this one. We have a lot of them there actually. Yes. Cool. We need to definitely break through this in order to go down. Like you see, the level is getting a reaction from it. So that's also the reason why I want to get her out around break even, because simply said, when we got a swing failure pattern, right? We have a daily. We're gonna be getting bounce from the daily. If I'm gonna be stopped out in the break even, then we still have like more probabilities, bigger chance that we will go higher. So for me, there is no need to like hold onto the losing position. I'm just gonna cut it off. That's the plan. Simply just create a game plan before you're gonna trade this, and then you know exactly what you're gonna do. Like I don't have any special ability to read the market. I'm just like, I have a special ability that I'm like a really disciplined person and I can stick to a plan, but that's all I have. Let's say it like this. Thank you. Now I'm a little more clever. It's small pieces of puzzle to get to get a final result. You need to obviously have all of them, or it's good to have all of them. By the way, these questions are in a YouTube chat. Okay, if any one of you is wondering where I'm getting these, then it's in a YouTube chat. Big man, the Red Bull is better than coffee. I feel more energized. I feel like I'm ready to take some position here or to handle some position. Seeing you're reading the exit chart is golden. Thanks. Thank you, mate. You know, it's just a lot of screen time, so for me it's easy to read this already. Net short's opening huge now. Yeah, but we still don't have any divergence, even on a 1 minute time frame. I mean, huge. Yeah. Quite huge. Yeah. I wouldn't call this huge. I mean, you know, if you're gonna compare this to the net longs, it's the same, right? Like huge is this. But I mean, yeah, we have some new shorts opening down there, which is we see if we can break it. Obviously, now if people go to the upside, and they are only adding fuel to the pumping rocket. Can we have the session volume template? This one. I mean, this is only for Wizard members. So I'm gonna say it again, but this is the last day of our special sale event on Crypto Wizards. So if you've been considering or thinking about joining us, now is the right time. We have a 30% sale on our website. You will get your templates right here. You need to go to downloads and you can click on ExoCharts web templates, ExoCharts desktop templates. Why this is not shared for everybody? Well, obviously, it's like another advantage of having a Wizards membership, but also I did this special module. Oh, you can see it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still bad at switching these screens. Here. So basically what I was saying here is that you will go to our website, downloads, you have your templates right here. But the thing is, obviously, like I said, one thing is that it's another advantage of being a wizard, but also I did this special module where I'm talking only about the templates. So it's not like covering ExoCharts, but I'm covering the templates, how to use them, how to read numbers, exactly the exact templates. So basically, for me to use the template, you need to get a knowledge about the template. So basically, it's covered here. And yeah, I mean, no point in sharing you something if you don't know how to use it. Maybe you do, like, I don't know, but yeah, it's for Wizards membership only. So I'm sorry, but if you want to get access to this, then obviously visit our website, upgrade. And like I said, it's the last day of that special sale, even 30% off from our normal price. So hopefully it makes sense. You said that the shorts now are only fuel to the upside. No, I said that shorts will be fuel only once we're gonna continue higher from now. So if you're gonna get this, then they are only fuel. Like up there, we're gonna be kicking them out, stopping them out. They are fuel. But as soon as we are down there, they are still like. I wouldn't do anything with net short net longs down there. Honestly, it's not a relevant information for me at the moment. As soon as I'm not getting any bullish divergence or something like this, I'm no point in trying to make some statement out of this. Is 30% available? Will end technically at exact 12. You mean exactly at the midnight? No, probably not. Probably tomorrow in the morning, something like this. We're just gonna change it manually, so we'll see. But yeah, it's not gonna be exactly at midnight. Okay, let me switch this to EXO again. Right now, I'm just waiting. Like, there is a lot of information you can get from EXO, but for me, it's not important at all right now as we are speaking. Because we are in this mini sideways range. This is 1 minute time frame. I'm not gonna base my decision on a 1 minute time frame, you know. By the way, guys, today we have an educational plus call. We should not forget about it. So, education plus today. But let's pay attention to what's happening here now. 1.4 million volume. A lot of delta stepping in now. They are trying to reverse this. Net long stepping in heavily. We can trap them, obviously. 1 million trap now here, but let's see if we can reverse this down. If we can, then it's good, and I will be looking lower. So for me, it's a really, after breaking this high, I'm gonna be closing the short. There is no rule that I can re-enter, obviously. So I can re-enter every time I want, but this is gonna be the invalidation for me locally on a 1 minute time frame. Then I can just take the trade again. And this was the thing that I was talking about. Like, if I'm gonna close my position now, I will lose like 0.1 was it like 0.15% of my account. So doesn't really matter. Like, I don't care, you know. So if you're gonna close your trade $20 lower or higher, it doesn't really matter here for me. So even if I'm gonna lose something on fees, like, I really don't care. Yeah, we're gonna break through this. I'm gonna close it. Okay, so now we just need to wait what's gonna happen next. Simply said, if we can reclaim BWAP, then we're gonna be looking for that value area below the previous day's one. If you're gonna be rejecting and breaking through a dailies here, then you can possibly take some small short scalp, or you're just gonna miss this opportunity. It can happen, but it's better for me to miss the opportunity than actually like get stopped out of there. For me, the priority number one is protecting the capital. But aren't new market shorts good if you are short? I mean, yes, they are, but they are good only when you are going down. Once you start going up, then there is a lot of place above to liquidate them and wreck them out. Do you get what I'm trying to say, right? If I'm gonna enter short now, there will be for me like a stop loss or liquidation. So once I will start going up and up and up, or once the price starts going up and up and up, I'm gonna get stopped out, if you know what I mean. So, if I'm gonna get stopped out on a short, it's a market long, so it's adding fuel to the rocket. Simply said. Hopefully that does make sense, but I think it does. A lot of new longs opening now. And the shorts will get stopped out down there. Or once we're gonna reclaim the video, the ones that got in down there, they're gonna be stopped out. They're gonna get stopped out. Zlatý swing. Oh yeah. Swing trading is much calmer, or not so. I don't want to say not so stressful, because like this is not stressful if you know what you are doing. If you are sticking to the plan. Like if you don't have a plan, then it's extremely stressful. And like I said, I'm only human, so I'm doing these mistakes sometimes too. And believe me or not, but sometimes I'm trading or taking setups that I wouldn't take normally, which is still my biggest mistake. But yeah, trying to improve, I'm doing fine, but it can be better, obviously, like all the time. If you hear like these traders, these moon boys and so on, talking about how good they are and etc. Like as a trader, there is still a lot to learn and a lot to improve all the time, right? So even if you are good, even if you are able to make money, there is always, you can always make more. You can always have a better win rate. As soon as you don't have a 100% win rate, there is still a lot to improve. And for me right now, it's not about like creating new strategy or choosing new strategy or whatever it is. For me, it's about improving my psychology and basically filtering out the trades that are not playing out. So if I have around 78-80% win rate now, I can have 85 and 90. But how can I improve these 10%? Well, it's not about I need a new strategy. It's about filtering out the bad trades, filtering out the bad decisions, and not adding like new ones. That's how I think about it. And like the most important thing with your psychology is being able to realize that there is something wrong. Like that's the step number one you need to do. If you're not gonna do it, then we don't even have to talk about psychology problems, because being able to realize the problem, that's the step number one you need to take. Simply said. And I see like a lot of people, trading and they don't realize their problems. So like they don't realize that they are not sticking to the plan like at the time when it's happening. That's the thing. Like maybe after the trade didn't play out, after you lost the money, then you realize that oh my god, I made this and this mistake. You need to be able to realize this when this is happening, which is like the biggest obstacle, obviously. Like, once you are able to realize it, then you can like overcome it. If or there's a high chance you're gonna overcome it. Like sometimes you will have a bad days where you will still feel like, oh my god, market is going against me, I just need to do this and this and this, and you will end up losing even more money. But all of this is a psychology only, and realizing the problem is the step number one you need to take. The step number two is being able to overcome it. But this all comes with fear of losing. Obviously, we value losses more than winners. So you can have 4 nice wins, then you're gonna lose 2 trades. So let's say you lost only 20% of the profit you made. But the worst thing you can do is do not think about trading like the money's. If you made X amount of money on 3 positions, let's say you made 10 grand, right? Don't think about it. They are yours already. They are not. Okay, the amount is not yours yet. The amount will be yours once it's on your bank account. But it's still something, we still play a game with this, okay? It's still 10 grand I made, but it's still it's like money on the table, right? I have it now, but I don't have, maybe I'm not gonna have it tomorrow. So this is how I think about it. Like, I'm happy on myself once I got the money to the bank account. But as soon as I have them on my Bybit account or FTMO account or whatever it is, it's not mine yet. It's only like profit I made, but it's still only like a numbers on a screen, and I don't care about it. Once I'm gonna transfer this to my bank account, then I can say like I made 10 grand, right? But once you're gonna start, and this is from my experience, but once you're gonna start feeling like I took 3 positions today, I made 10 grand. Now I made 10 grand. I'm so happy. I'm gonna spend it on this and this and this. Tomorrow, not a trading day, you're gonna lose the, let's say from 10k, you're gonna lose 3k, right? So you are still up 7k, but you're gonna be pissed on yourself, and then you're gonna be like, oh my god, I need to make these 3k back. I wanted to buy this and this. I wanted to go on a nice vacation. Now I can because blah 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 blah. I need to make this money back. You're gonna take a trade and you're gonna lose even more. So from 10k you will have 5k now, let's say, and then you will be, oh my god, I'm 5k down. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take another position, another 3k down. And from 10k you are only up 2k, but you won't think about it like, oh, okay, I made 2 grand this week. You will think about it, oh, I lost 8k today. do you get the point I'm trying to say here? Like, this is extremely important. If you're gonna start thinking about like you made money and then you feel already like I have them on my bank account, or I'm gonna start thinking about on what thing I'm gonna spend this, then simply this is not how you should think about it. I know it's easy to say, but really, like, I don't really care about the money that I have on the account as soon as they are not on my bank account. Trader is never good enough. That's I learned. Yeah. And what is your P&L, just for idea? You mean monthly P&L? Like, I'm usually making, last few months I'm making between like 10 to 25% a month. 10 to like 25 is a good month. 10 is like a worst month. I would say like 15 is the average. It depends. Like, yeah, last year I was absolutely killing it. Like, I was able to make like 110% a month. But then the next month I lost 30, and so it was like a roller coaster, let's say like this. Like, it was like this, the P&L, going up and down like a crazy deviations. So I took it a little bit slower this year, and I feel more comfortable with the system, actually. Like, it's a more steady way. It's not like this, it's like more this, you will all the time have like a peak and then some drawdown, peak, drawdown, and so on. But that's how it works in trading. You can expect that you will have a straight line to the upside. I feel like you are very good at having the right bias. What creates your bias at the start of the day? Okay, so Henry, are you in a Wizards membership? I don't know if you are, but watch this video. If you are, then definitely watch this video. Go to courses, go to strategies. Oh, again, you can't see it. Oh my god, I have to improve this. I'm a bad streamer. I'm good at trading, but I'm bad in making videos and streaming. But yeah, go to the strategies module. Go to my daily routine, and this is what I'm doing every single morning. And you will also get a checklist here. So this is, and if you won't be able to download it, which we have a problem on our website that sometimes you can download the file by clicking on this button, then you will simply go to the left panel. We have here downloads, and you will go to TA checklist. So this is basically what I'm doing every single day. And actually, I'm planning to make a video about it today. We'll see how it goes. I'm wondering why the upper banner disappeared now. Yeah, it's not here. Was it here? I don't know. But I believe it was, right? Yeah, it was, but now it's not here anymore. But the sale is still up. Sale is still up on the website. Closed completely on VWAP. Nice, Silver, you killed it. You made a better trade than I did, but yeah. For me, I'm also happy that I closed it. Like, it was a good trade in the end to close it around the break even. So, like, yes, of course, I could have made money on the SFP, but I also could have lost more, you know. We'll see if we can reclaim the VWAP. If we're gonna get another retracement down, then I'll be looking for that value area low to be hit today. But yes. Oh yeah, maybe I know why it's not here. Oh yeah, I accidentally deleted the file. Should be here. Oh, cool. Closed completely on VWAP. Cool, no current positions. Show trade, you noob. Sorry, mate. I'm not here yet. I'm not trading. I'm still learning, and I'm not trading yet. I need another like. Today I'm actually planning to watch a video about how to enter a trade. So yeah, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna show you some trade. But today I'm still pretty new to this. I don't know how to enter. I mean, like, what else can I say to this? Yeah, we are talking about, the video I'm planning to make today is actually about my daily routine that I'm doing in the morning, but not from like a TA perspective because that's what we have already in the Wizards, but about like more of a psychology perspective, because that's very important. And I had a one-on-one coaching yesterday. It was an amazing session. I enjoyed it a lot. But the point is that we are talking about what I'm doing in the morning, and the key for me is to spend only 10 or 15 minutes trading or charting. And, you know, it sounds crazy, but chart 10 to 15 minutes in the morning, you will get your key levels, and then just turn the chart. Because once you're going to start doing that, okay, I have a key level here, I have a key level here, I'm going to wait for this. This is my daily game plan, right? After 2 hours, you'll be bored. And you're going to open a chart again, and you're going to say, price is here now. Maybe I can take this and this. and then you're gonna lose. Like, it all depends what strategy do you use, right? But like right now, I'm day trader. I'm not really scalper, so I'm not scalping, but I'm day trading. So I'm creating a plan at the start of the day, and then I just don't care about what's happening here and there. You know, I'm waiting for my key levels to be hit, and that's very important. So really spend 10-15 minutes a day in the morning to mark out some levels on a chart, and then just simply wait for levels to be hit. But I see a lot of people, you know, they're gonna do the TA, they're gonna do the plan, they're gonna change it like dynamically. I don't know what example I should give, but simply they are trying to find something that is not on a chart, if you know what I mean. You can be dynamically changing your plan, but not like that you're gonna push something, you know. You simply mark out 2 levels on your chart, a level above, level below, and then don't try to push anything. Simply said. Haters gonna hate, don't give them attention. Yeah, sure thing, I'm just making fun of them. If no one hates you, then you are doing something wrong. That's a good point, actually. Put moderator in chat so they will remove immediately. That's a good point. Silver, you are here a lot of times. Can I give you a moderator role? I think that you are down for this. You should be moderator now. Perfect, so Silver is the moderator now. Cool, thanks. Like, I met already so many successful and great people here. Like, I'm so proud of this, so proud of creating this community, but I really love it here. Like, once again, in the last 10 months, 10 months, I've met so many successful people all over the world, having $1 million businesses, and like great people in general. Like, I view the community as my friends. I really do. And like, we have to do some live meeting, which I'm planning to next year, but we just need to pick the right place. Oh, Big Man could do it too. Sure, you can. You are moderator now. Haters make more views, exactly. Exactly, that's a good point. That's a really good point. Okay, so we are hitting the VWAP. Do we have anything around the VWAP now? I should stop talking here because I'm not focused on trading. But we don't have anything major, honestly. We don't have anything major. I'm just gonna announce the call we have in Education Plus today. (6 p.m. UTC time zone). Yeah, a lot of, you see how many shorts we trapped down there, and now basically like half of them is out because they are closing their short positions. And once we're gonna break even through this high, then rest of them will be out too. Believe me on this. One boy from Dubai, miss you. So when haters make more views, should I block them though? That's a good question. No, the thing you have to do is don't block them. Just there is a way of how you can block only messages from them, I believe, or maybe you can. I don't know. Click only on. I have it in check, but it's something like mute user for. I don't know how to translate this directly, but simply said, just click on mute him. That should be fine. I don't care that much about views. To be honest, I'm not a YouTuber. Or that's not my main, how to say it. It's like a hobby for me only, so. Oh yeah, timeout. That was the word that I was looking for. Yes, exactly. What was your scalping strategy based on? Anything that is in Wizard course? Yes, of course. It's covered. Let me show you. So I guess that you are not Wizard yet. Or are you? Just go here. Courses. Strategies. And here, one scalping is the BBSS. That's really like a beginner strategy. It works, but I don't use this. Then for scalping, you can be using the day trading strategy part 1, part 2, part 3. Obviously, you have to view all the parts to be able to use this. And then you have TR candles with the WTRS. So these are 2 scalping strategies. Pigman, you should change your name on YouTube to Pigman. I hope I can be a wizard soon. We have that special sale event, so don't forget about it. The special sale event ends today, so maybe you can become for a better price. Hey Pigman, I like Fat Farmer better. Lol. Okay, guys. So, any questions related to trading? Would be I really like when we have these like Q&As. I'm enjoying this a lot. So, do you guys have any type of question? Because live trades, do we have any right now? Honestly, not really. This still looks too choppy for me to enter a short here. I'm reading again. I was paying attention to EXO chart, sorry, so you can see it right now, but from the EXO perspective, I'm gonna open it so you'll be able to see it. Oh, not this. This. Do we have any absorption around here? No, we don't. Look at this. So there is no trade to be taken here yet. In 5 minutes it can be different, but we use I don't know how should I pronounce your nickname, but okay, you are in a wizard school. So yeah, check the 2 videos or 2 strategies I was talking about, the WTRS and the day trading strategy. that's about scalping. Wow, Mutsi killing it with some scalp. Cool. Good one. And Pigman, $1,300 in profit from what I see in a Forex chat. That's cool. And Daniel is looking for, or Dan is looking for a long in a group. Do you use DOM? No, I don't. I don't use DOM. Was using DOM in the past, but I stopped. I stopped using DOM. Volume still poor. Yeah, DOM, I don't use it anymore. It was for me too confusing, or simply not worth it to use it. Not too confusing, but sometimes simply you see, someone placed order and then immediately removes it, and like with the decision making, it was just not worth it for me to use it. Say like this. Have you heard about ICT? I heard about it, but I don't know. I don't remember what it is. I heard about it a lot actually. Someone was mentioning this on a call once, I believe. Yeah. Let's check gold. Know what's happening on gold. Okay, gold is coming to VWAP. This could have been a really nice short today on gold. 10 a.m. This is the thing I'm talking about in the learning section. Watch the video about the VWAP, what I was saying here. This is exactly the scenario where the VWAP is a major level. Is it possible to join using Binance Pay? What is Binance Pay? I don't have a Binance Pay, but what we can do is you can pay via crypto if you want. Buy USDT. Do you also watch DXY and Nasdaq when you trade? Sometimes I do, yeah, but I'm not paying like too much attention to it. Like with the DXY, there is a nice correlation with it, obviously. So I would say when I'm trading gold, I'm paying more attention to other stuff like DXY and Nasdaq and so on. But when I'm trading BTC, not so much. I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible. Simply said. Why are you focusing only on net shorts here? Any specific reason? No, I just kept it open. Honestly, there is no specific reason behind it. I can hide it now. I was talking about. I wanted to see if the shorts are getting stopped out. So that is the only reason, but not really any special reason behind it. Not at all. But yeah, Becky, if you want to join, I don't know what's Binance Pay. Binance Pay. Is it a BNB transfer? I'm not sure what's the Binance Pay, but yeah, simply you can transfer me USDT if you want to join, and I will give you the membership for the sell price, obviously. Yeah, nothing major for me now. It's a really choppy movement. I wouldn't be entering into anything as we are speaking. And on gold, I would be looking for that VWAP to be hit. Where any courses, you have to go to strategies. So let me show you. Strategies. So courses, strategies here. My daily routine. That's the video. Binance pays USDT, dude. It's on a Binance app where you can send USDT to other account. Just send your Binance ID or Pay ID or email or phone number. Aha. No, I don't even have Binance app, honestly. So, or I have a Binance account, but just not using Binance. So for me, it's easier if you just DM me on the Discord and we can figure this out. For me, but for me, it's better if you can simply transfer the USDT to the USDT address, and there is like $1 fee, $1 USDT fee. So that's not a problem. TXY, what's happening here? What the ES is doing? I'm wondering about ES. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was covering ES a few days ago, and I was saying that this 3,500 level is going to be very important. I don't know if I can find the video or where I was mentioning this, but I believe let's check Forex TA. Is it here? No, but so it was on a stream, but I said that this 3,500 area is gonna be good buy. We are up $230. Let's check chess. That's a check stock. But it's dumping heavily. Look at this. Oh, you can see it again. So, ES, here you can see this is the monthly that I was talking about. Right there. Look at this. And I was checking chess, which is a check stock. Look at this. Look at this perfect Elliott wave count. This is so nice. We have this. One, two, three, four, five. A, B, could be possible C here. But it can also reverse lower, obviously, so. I'll be looking for 226 specifically. But we have a bad fundamental news about chess, so that's why it's dumping. Hey man, what's your remarks on ATAS? I'm not using ATAS, so I can't really tell. This was 786, I guess. Yeah. I still prefer EXO over ATAS. Honestly, I would try ATAS. I would give it a try, but it's not for Mac. And I'm a Mac user. Or is it? But it wasn't when I was checking it, which is like 4 months ago maybe. So if it is, I don't have anything against ATAS. I would give it a try. And yeah, like I said, it's free for crypto. I just don't have any experience with it, and I can't even try it because I don't have any Windows computer. I still haven't finished my 14-day trial, so we'll see. There is a trial for exocharts or for ARAS. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, I'm here already for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Am I? Oh yeah, 1.5 hours. Oh my goodness. I didn't even realize. Do you use Exo desktop or just web? No, I use desktop version. This is desktop. The thing that you see on the screen here, this is desktop version. I mean, desktop is more responsible, it's faster, it's more user friendly in my opinion. It's easier to use. You can have a trading view in it, you can have a buy bid in it, you can have all you need. Why to use website? I use only website when I'm streaming, but now I'm streaming and I use desktop too. Like, so yeah, it's fine. How to install the ADS platform on Mac? I tried it, mate. But there is something you can do something with the parallels, I believe, and so on. I don't want to do this. Yeah, you have to do this via parallels. For me, that's too complicated to just try ADAS or ADAS. You know, I don't want to be installing Windows and spending time with it and then creating new templates and so on. Why? I'm happy with the exocharts and I believe like the data you are getting are the same. The only reason is that it's free and I don't care if I'm gonna pay $30 a month. To be completely honest, like I don't want to sound cocky, but I'm simply happy with the exo. I'm so used to it. I have everything in the desktop version, so for me it's worth the $30. I think it's gonna like slow down my Mac if I'm gonna install the parallels and so on. So I just don't want to mess with it, if you know what I mean. I will send you a Windows PC. Okay. If you'll send me a Windows PC, then yes, I'm gonna give it a try to add us, and maybe I'm also gonna share it on a live stream. No, I mean, I was actually thinking about buying Windows, and I said this already a lot of times. I've been talking about it, but like Windows is better for streaming. Windows is better for, I would say only for streaming. I can't find anything else. But I'm just like so used to the ecosystem of Apple, and basically I have everything. I have Apple Watch, I have the iPhone, I have the Mac, I have the Apple TV, I have the HomeKit. So I just don't want to use Windows. Simply said, like there is no other reason for it. I'm just like too deep in ecosystem. And for gaming, yes, but I'm not gaming. For me, gaming is a waste of time, to be honest. Like, if you are adult and you are gaming, then you are just, I don't know. In my opinion, you are just lazy. Like, even I feel just bad when I'm gaming. Like, I feel like I could be doing something else. You know, I could be either reading or working on new things, be it a gym or something. But for me, gaming is, you are just moving yourself into some different reality, which is like not reality, you know. So yeah, if you are not pro gamer or YouTuber, so yes, it is. TA is our game, exactly. I'm gaming every single day. I'm playing game with the charts. So yes, I'm not gaming. I mean, yes, maybe like once or twice a year, where when I'm like with friends, we have some party and someone has like a PlayStation here with like a multiple controllers, and then I don't care, because like I decided I'm gonna spend the time, and I'm not gonna do anything beneficial for me. I'm just gonna waste. I don't want to say waste my time, but spend time with the friends and drink or something. Then like I'm down for playing PS4 for 30 minutes, 1 hour. But other than that, I'm not the type of person that will get home in the evening and play PS4 for 3 hours. Usually I get to home like at around 9, 8, 9 p.m. Because I have a lot of things to do. Like I trade in the morning, then working on videos that I'm going to gym. Yeah. So like when I get home, I'm just either going to bed or I'm doing something more beneficial for me. Gaming while waiting a level to be hit. That's possible. I mean, yeah, fair enough, but I'm rather working on something else. I spend 8 and more hours of gaming on Element. I mean, when you are 14, 13, 12, 15 maybe, then it's fine. But once you're like older than 15, in my opinion, it's like waste of time. But I guess that I had like a different mindset, because I realized this when I was 15. But like 99% of 15 years old teens, they do not realize this. But it's their problem, not mine. Like it's your future. So if you want to change it, then you need to work. No divergence. I mean, no, I'm not entering. Even though like we are getting rejection, for me that's too risky. It's still like sideways movement. I wouldn't be entering into anything now. Or buying Lambo or buying Lambo when you are waiting on trade. Yes. That's better than gaming. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna finish the stream. I'm still planning to record a video today. I'm gonna wash my car now. Then I'm gonna record a video. I'm done with the trading for now. Maybe I'm gonna take some setup in the evening, but I'm gonna wash my car. I'm gonna record a video after that, and then I'm gonna get ready for the Education Plus call, which is at 8 p.m. I was at gym already in the morning, so that's done. Yes. What car do you drive? I have a 1 Series, the LCI, and 140i. So it's technically not like a BMW M car, but it is, because they've never done like M1. You know, they did only M135i and M140i. Skoda Fabia. No, Lambo not yet. No, I don't have a Lambo. But yeah, M140i. Pretty decent car, I love it honestly. But I'm thinking about a new M2, which I don't know if I like the design. I've never seen it live. It was released like last week or like 2 weeks ago, so they don't have it in a dealership yet. But or the CLA. I love the CLA, and I keep talking about the CLA for like the last 10 months. But also, like, you know, still, like, right now we have a huge opportunity, and wasting money on car. I want to buy a car once I'm gonna make money for a car in like 1 month. You know, I don't want to buy a car when I had to work for it like for like 6 months and more. That's how I think about it. Or 3 months or 2 months, whatever it is. I mean, preferably you want to buy a car from like a passive income or from like investment where you just don't have to care about it, or not care. But the money I'm making from this, I don't want to spend it on cars, simply said. Or Mustang. No, I don't like Mustang actually. I don't like muscle car at all. For me, the 140i, it has how much? 240 kilowatts, maybe more. I'm gonna find it. And 140i. I don't know it in kilowatts, but around 240. Sorry, 250. Yeah, 250. It's X drive. I didn't want the real drive because you know, like 250 kilowatts for such a small car, it has like 1.4 ton, you know, so it's like really fast. If you want to, obviously you can switch the modes, which it's actually quite a big difference, like when you are switching between the comfort, sport plus, and then you have like Eco Pro, which I've never used before, but I've never even tried it. It also like messes up with your like AC in a car, so I'm not using the Eco Pro. I don't care about it, but I bought it because I want to have a fun with it, not because that I want to have a, you know, good good fuel cost, or how to say it, you know what I mean. You have to start praying in winter. No, I had it already in winter times, and it's fine. Since it has the X drive, it's fine. But if you want to drift, you can, but obviously with the rear wheel, it will be better. It's hard to drift with the X drive, which is like all-wheel drive. But yeah, like I said, you know, if you want to on a snow, everything is possible. But Yeah, Mustang. I tried Mustang for like a weekend, but I don't know. I just don't like it. Like you can drive that fast with a Mustang. You know, like when you have a straight road, then you can. But I don't feel any excitement like driving 250 kilometers on a straight road. Like I like like cutting the corners and so on. But you know what I mean. I mean Mustang. It is drifting. Do you have a Mustang actually, or? Have a great day. Thanks for the valuable stream. Thanks for joining me, mate. Appreciate it. Yes, I agree. I guess that's about the straight road thing. Yeah, I've never really liked the American cars. I tried it. Yeah, I tried it too. High from treadmill, 6% incline, 6 kilometers per hour speed, and CVN in my ears. One of the best combo. Yeah, but you joined late. We are almost done with the stream. But enjoy your workout, obviously. Do you have public voice chats in your Discord? Yes, we have this. We do, yeah. Simply check our Discord and there is a spectator stage and BTC Live TA, so you can join here for some talk. Okay, guys, I'm finishing the stream now. Thanks for joining me. Wizard Education Plus. See ya in 3 hours in a Discord where we're gonna be talking about some trades you took in the last 7 days, winning ones, losing ones. I'm gonna give you some feedback on them. So thanks for joining me, appreciate it, and see you next time. I'm gonna announce it in advance in a group, obviously. Have a good rest of the day, and should I say sorry? No, I shouldn't. But no trade taken today, obviously. Or I mean, no position. I'm not holding any position right now. We took that short, but stopped out at a break even. Not a high probability trade for me. Simply I would have rather stay on the sidelines now. So yeah, guys, once again, thanks for joining me and see ya next time.